nightingale, who used to be courtly, has become so vile to me, it almost killed me. For I hear its song and I see the world growing green, and everything that exists pushes to have joy. And my faithful heart melts and dies and burns because I'm not there where I have my good hope. For without her, no joy can please me. But still from here I kneel there where she is, on my knees, hands joined and bent, and I am so set to blaze by the fire of love when I remember the joy with which she conquered me. For you should know well that there, wherever I stay, I don't turn elsewhere, and I can't want anything else. And I don't believe I'll ever see another lady who could grip me day or morning or evening, so much that from her I could move my heart. Often I recall the great honors and the good things and the beautiful replies she gave me, sighing, and the sweet farewell that keeps my heart captive. Then I would have needed to die before her, for just so die from the great love that wounds me. Am I not dead then when I can't see her? Yes, I am, for love stings toward me and attacks, so that without her life can't be worth anything to me. And nothing but she has power in me. I wish I never had so much of her beauty, for when I gaze at her eyes with the bright face and the beautiful look with which she so seized me, I do nothing but sigh and languish. I tremble and shake and die of plain envy, because I'm not there serving at her, lying down where her noble body lies with joy and rules. And from the desire that I don't dare show, I often let myself fall fainted on the ground. And if it weren't for my Lord Count Joffrey, who keeps me here in his courtly country, never for honor or for good that might come to me would I stay without seeing her right now. For in no other place does my faithful heart beg for mercy. And the Count knows well that no one can know anything of faithful love if he makes war on a lover. And a lover shouldn't hold harm against a friend. And so I don't think he